But after seeing Noob Toners, which is actually Bob, I'm just still wondering, why did YouTube ban Bob? What did he do? Was it copyright? Or collab with me? Or even something else?
Like, it was official.
Yes, the
like,
collab.
YouTube should check the comments of his video. Like, in his shorts, you said, hey Bob, maybe we could do a collab with each other. And then y'all became friends. I don't know why, but after we became friends with Bob, this was Bob notifications. Alright, have to check my...
But, Noob, why are you talking to another dimension?
What?
You are currently talking in another dimension.
It's because I'm off camera, yeah.
Oh, now I see, but... YouTube, if you're watching this, could you say the reason why you banned Bob in the comments? I'm just still wondering. Also, after his channel got lost, his Roblox account got lost as well.
Yeah.
And there's also 8,000 subscribers is gone. Now he's only left with, oh wait, no, this is the picture I had last before. Yes.
Well, I'll check.
Alright, Noob is gonna check.
I'm just cracking my bone. No! I have good internet. It's randomly not working. Hold on, I got it. Oh. Hold on, let me check my analytics. Let's see what's my...
Yeah.
I didn't realize I got like 1,000.6K views from shorts.
But I'm still wondering, why did YouTube ban Bob Noob?
Okay, yeah.
Noob is currently checking right now.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have to yell at me.
How do I got 10 comments? Oh yeah. Okay, Noob Toner, which is Bob, has like 8 subscribers. Hold on, let me watch his video real quick. Wait.
Oh my god, Noob, you don't have to do your giggle right in front of my recording. YouTube, still, if you're watching this, please tell a reason. Please tell a reason.
I got something that'll make you feel.
By the way, good thing you're not racist to the other
I got
languages.